Let's see what we got in today. My intros better not be all like that, because as soon as I start reviewing plates, those are gonna break. This is the unboxing of the Soul ST-XS2. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Soul. I know they were endorsed with Ludacris at some point, but I'm pretty sure they're not anymore because he's not really the face anymore of the company. But these are one of, if not the brand new true wireless earphones of Soul. They have a lot of them, but these just grabbed my attention, especially all the specs that it has, and these are my very first true wireless headphones. We're just gonna do an unboxing today, and I do plan on doing a review on these really soon. I'm just excited to get straight to them and just start using them at the gym and just life in general. These are some quick specs of it. You have 25 hours in total. That's with the charging case. The earphones themselves, when fully charged, they're 5 hours. And once you need a charge, you just keep using the case until the case runs out. You have auto pairing, which I think is pretty cool. Just be able to take it out and connect right away with your phone. IPX7, AAC, and ergonomic ear hooks. So should be standard with everything. I mean, everybody has different ears, so it's pretty cool that they include more. So let's open this up right now. Soul has always had some cool presentations. I think that's, something that each company should really look into and invest in. This is pretty cool. Got a cool little photo right there. And let's open this bad boy up. You got a little tag right here. Okay, open up, that out, and right away greeted with the accessory box, the charging case, and the 2 earphones. So let's get the accessories first. I know a lot of YouTubers do just the accessories before they get to the product. Let's get rid of that real quick. Let's do that. The accessory box right here. Open that up. And we got some wires. Oh, that's one of the cool things that I like about this product actually. It has USB-C. I'm pretty sure it has it connected in the case right here. But you get a USB Type-C charger, which I'm not, big fan of. It's so small. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but I guess I can use my MacBook's USB-C. So I guess this for just emergencies, but this is pretty small, but I'm just happy they included it, I guess. And you get all your different types of ear hooks right here. So, you have your small, medium, large, if you want to do sport or no sport with the hook right here. So if you want to do any of that, you have all those right here, which is cool that they include. And this is something they always include, and I'm sure it's going to go right on the case, which is pretty cool. And you have your instructions right here. So that's it for the accessories. Now let's get the box first. So this is the charging case that you get inside. Pretty cool. Open that up. And that's where the earphones go when you guys want to charge it. This is that thing where I think the hook goes. Let's put that on right now. Just like that. Put it right on my pocket or something. Well, not in the pocket obviously, because this way you have the hook where the belt goes, the belt hook. Oh, and you have the name of the earphones right there. ST-XS2 hashtag Soul in Style. So let's take the earbuds out. So you got the right earbud right here. And let's take out the left one. So these are it. So I'm assuming you just put them in there. Oh, that's cool. So it's magnet. So you don't have to really place them. And I'm assuming they're already charging. And I do know that there's a little flashing light right here. There's 4 flashes. Each flash indicates 25% of battery. That means the charging case is at full battery. If it flashes 4 times, let's see if I can get that. Remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's cool. And that's pretty cool. The earphones are charging right there. You see the blue light. So that means they're charging. So this is pretty cool. You guys can see that. It's super small. It fits. It's just small right there in the palm of my hand. So this is the iPhone 10. Let's see right here, and then right there. So you see, it's pretty small. So this is just an unboxing, guys. I do plan on doing a full review on it. You see the charging port right there. And open these bad boys up, and you have them right here. These look pretty cool, pretty modern. They have really cool color scheme. Oh, and one thing that I don't want to forget, right now if you go into the website, they have a really cool sale for Mother's Day. If you buy 2, you get 20% off. I think that is really cool. Buy one for your mama, buy one for your baby mama.
My wife and my girlfriend. Yeah, I mean my wife.
And I'm pretty sure they're gonna love these. Again, I haven't used them yet, but I mean, they sound pretty cool. I'm gonna do a review. I'll be posting that as soon as possible. I think that's a really cool deal that they have going on. And for the price, guys, these retail for $100, which is so much better than the AirPods, especially the AirPod 2s. I just can't wait to just start wearing them. I'm gonna do the review really quick for you guys to make sure that you guys make a good decision. But so far, these just look cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the likes. To all my current subscribers,
you loyal. I appreciate that.
And to all my new subscribers, thank you and welcome.